Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really easy customizable glowing text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this as a background, then I'm going to select text and I'm just going to type in something like sweet. I don't know. I'm just going to choose this font. I love this font. It is the Low Star font and it's in the CapCut app, so you don't have to download it. I think it's in the CapCut app. I'm pretty sure it is. But you are just going to select effects and you're going to find one where there is a glow in it. So I'm trying to find one that has this like glow. For instance, this one has it, but I think it's a little bit too much. So I like this one personally, but you can try to find more that's like glow, which is this one's actually pretty glowish as you can see, but because it's on a lighter background you can't see, but if I just delete it you can definitely see the glow. Here you can also change the colors of the glow, so it is customizable without you having to like change the colors in effects. It is totally customizable and I think it's pretty sweet. Lol, okay, that was lame of me, but look how cute. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!